So BMW has this history of art and innovation, which is why today we're exploring the intersection of art and artificial intelligence. We're using AI to create generative art and project that onto the surface of BMW's 8 Series Gran Coupe. We start with this huge data set of artwork that covers more than 900 years of art history. And as the AI sees this, it learns to generalize what a painting looks like, and then you can use it to create new ones. We wanted to take that a step further, though, beyond the history of art to see what the technology could generate with art from modern living artists. So we started collaborating with Gary Yeh, who's an art collector and the founder of artDrunk, to help us select some inspiring contemporary art to teach the AI with.
I think it was exciting to use the BMW car as a canvas, thinking about the themes of mobility, connecting people around the world. For example, one of the artists I selected was Li Bei, based in Paris in South Korea. He rediscovered the material of charcoal, which is the basis of his work.
So in this case, the AI learned from Li Bei's work. In a way, it sees those textures. And then on its own, the AI generates this evolving stream of new textures. They're informed by his work, but they're also unique.
Part of the way I thought about the artist was also the colors and forms. What are the broad techniques that you can just pick up by looking at an image? It's like we're teaching this AI a new technique.
Exactly. And the 8 Gran Coupe is this car that's grounded in this really elegant design, and it's got this amazing silhouette. Seeing that interplay is really fascinating.
I really can't wait to see what ways an artist can use AI as a part of their practice, especially as a tool to explore their creativity.
What's exciting about this project is that it brings all these different things together that we're talking about. Using art, using technology, and then we've got this canvas of the car to project all this stuff onto.
So BMW is actually celebrating their 50th year of cultural engagement. They've had a long history of art cars, working with artists to use the car as a blank canvas of sorts. I really believe art is in the DNA of BMW.